Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to another class. So today we are going to see numbers. So everybody know what is numbers. What is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So everybody knows this. So see here in page number 18 you can see a picture. See, they are telling us to count. Look at that picture. Lakshmi, Rahul, Zahir, Navya, Janaki and Robert are collecting gooseberries. See, they have collected the gooseberries and in that small bag they have collected. So they are counting it. So one by one they are counting. Counting means, see, for example, Rahul is having 5 chocolate. Okay. So he is counting. How he will count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he counts like that. So Robert counted and he collected how many gooseberries? 56 gooseberries. Look at this. Robert have collected 56 gooseberries. Janaki 43, Navya 62, Lakshmi 56 and Rahul 53, Zahir 35. So we are counting it. Okay. So now we are going to learn about the piece of sticks. Okay. How to bundle this. Okay. So a bundle of 10 means 10 sticks. Okay. 2 bundles of 10s means 20. For example, look at this picture. See, this one is 1 bundle of 10. A bundle of 10. That means this is 10. 2 bundle of 10. 2 bundles. See here 1 10 and another 10 you have. So all together it means 20. Okay. Say for example 3 bundles means 3 bundles of 10 means it is 30. Okay. If you have 9 bundles then it is 90. Okay. See, in one bundle, a bundle of 10 sticks. If you are collecting 10 ice cream sticks, it means that each one you are counting and collecting it and bundling it. So it becomes 10. Like that, if you are collecting 10, see for example, when you are having money in piggy bank, how do you collect? Either you count it, like if you have 2 rupee coins, many 2 rupee coins, how do you count? You count either 5 coins or you keep 10 coins. Yes or no? See, 5 2 rupee coins if you collect and keep it, how much rupees it comes? It comes 10 rupees. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 10. Is that clear, children? Like that, if you are collecting and keeping all the ice cream sticks or outside sticks, bundle and keep it 10 if you are collecting and keep it, then if you are counting it all together how much it is, then it will be easy. Say for example, see, I have kept here 2 bundles of 10 and 3 extra sticks. That means how much? First picture is 10. This picture is 23. Very good. It is 23. Okay. So if you have 9 bundle plus 1 means 91. 9 bundles plus 5 means 95. Is that clear, children? 9 bundles, 8 bundles. 8 bundles plus 1 means how much? 81. So that's how we are learning this place value. So I'm going to teach you place value. Is that clear? 1 is added to 99 to get 100. 10 bundles of 10 give 100. Is that clear? 100 is a 3-digit number. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. In 100, 0 is in units place and the second 0 is in 10th place and 1 is in 100 place. Is that clear, children? If you are writing 100, see, 1's tens. For example, I'll tell you. See here, ma'am have given one example. I'll tell you. See, units. How do you count these units? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. See, like this only our Indian system is going on. But now we are going to learn only ones, tens and hundred. Only 3-digit numbers. Is that clear? So, for example, I'll tell you. See, this 0. Okay, first 0 is ones. What is the second 0? Value of second 0? Tens. What is 1 value? What is 1 value? That is 100. That is 100. Say for example, 300. What happens to this 0? This 0 is ones. This 0 is tens and this is 100. So it is 300. Say for example 181. 181. What happens to 181? 1 is ones, 8 is tens and 1 is 100. 181. Is that clear, children? Is that clear? Okay. So let's move on to the other topic. See here. Dravid's century. Come back to Dravid's century. Here they have given one picture. So you are going to observe this picture. What is this? Observe the Ranajit cricket match played between Karnataka and Mumbai, held in Chinnaswamy Stadium. Rahul Dravid, captain of Karnataka team, has scored 94. How many runs does he need to complete 100? See, 100 is century. In cricket, 100 runs means it is called a century. So, Rahul Dravid scored 94. So, how many remaining numbers you have to add to get 100? Exactly 6. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So, 6 runs he has to take. Like that, they have given Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag, Gautam and Rainas. So, 92, how much runs needed to complete a century for 92? Again, remove your fingers, all your fingers, keep the 10 fingers open. Now tell, count from this thumb: 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Where do you come? You have reached the left hand middle finger. So how many numbers are there? 8. So 8 runs needed to complete a century. Like that, Sehwag, you have to count and write. Okay. So after 99, what is that after 99? You know, no? 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. Please count and Right. Okay, so your homework is write 200 to 229. See here, 299, 200, 200. This missing letters you have done it in the lower class already. 100 till 100, 200 you have written. Now it is a continuation, so you have to write till 1000. Okay, 400, 500, 600 and 700, 800 and 900 followed by 1000. Till that you are going to write. Okay, without fail you should write it. Now see, look at this. Already we have seen that bundles. Yes or no? In page number 28 they have given for you, they have given, wait 1 minute. So we are going to see this bundle of sticks in abacus model. See how do they do with the help of the beads. They are writing here. Can you see this? See here, 100. Already we have seen the place value, ones, tens and hundreds. So we have to write 3. First you have to write ones, second you have to write T, and the third one is 100H. So look at this picture. First picture you have seen 100. So 1 beats in 100 and the remaining numbers are 0, 0. Okay, see how to write hundreds. 200 means in hundreds you have to write 2 beats. 300 means in 100 place you should draw 3 beats. See, for example I will tell you. See children, if you have 385, for example 385, how do you draw? Please 1 minute, shall I draw and show you? See how to draw this 199. See here, for example I tell you. Okay, see, ones, tens, 100. Say for example 199. Okay, 9, where is 9? 199. How to write this 199? 9 is ones, another 9 is tens and another 1 is 100. So how many beads you should draw in ones place? You should draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another one in tens again, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In hundreds, only how many number, how much you are seeing, number count and see that only 1. So you should write only 1. Is that clear? This is how you have to write the place values. Is that clear children? Is that clear? Okay, so shall we move on to the next thing? See, 100, 100. So they are writing all the letters numbers in words. 199, 299, 300. They have given the words 300. So how much you have to write there? 300. Here 399. How much you should write? 399. Okay, so please follow that and complete it. Okay, next comes numbers. Help the elephant to go to the pond by writing the numbers in words. 107. So you have to write 107. Next comes 325, 666, 495, 840, 914, 733, 578, 282. Okay. So next, by writing the words in the numbers, help the calf to find out her mother. See here, 199. So what you should write? 199. Next, 362. 362. Next, 546. 853. 853. So write like that and complete it. Okay, shall we move on to the next exercise 2.1? Fill in the blanks with suitable numbers. Okay, I think you know all these things, so you have to write this. 99, 100, 101, 102, 103 till 108 you should write. Next, 120, counting the numbers. So count the numbers, next numbers, and till the last column is, they have given the last column, so you have to complete that. Okay, I hope you all have understood this. So A to J you should write and complete. Coming to the Roman letter 2, read the following numbers and write in words. See, 101. 101. This just now you have completed, helping the elephant and the calf. See, looking at that, you should complete 213. 439. Like that you have to complete this exercise. Moving on to the next page, write the numbers. So in the word, it is written in words, so you have to write it in numbers. 348. What number you have to write? 283. 283. A is 348. Like that you have to write. Is that clear, children? Next, sum of roses. See, this is also same thing. This is also the same thing. I told you 10 that sticks, how much they are collecting. See, say for example, I tell you very simple way. See, if you are collecting, if you are counting one by one, means 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you have to count. 10 cards of 10 means, look at this picture, how many sticks you should collect? 10 cards of 10 means 10 you should bundle it in 10. Okay, like 10 sticks like that you should bundle and keep. 10 cards of 100 means you should collect 100 sticks. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, like that. I think you have understood. 1, 2, 3 means 10 cards of 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that you should count. 10 cards of 10 means 10 numbers. You should club 10 numbers. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, like that. Next, 10 cards of 100 means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, like that you should write. Is that clear? Like that you should bundle and keep. Is that clear? Okay, we'll see one activity, then you will understand. Okay, see what they are telling. See here, write 100. Pink means 100, blue means 10, and triangle means 1. Okay, so how you should write that 54 tens? Already they have given the square box. So 550, 554. So how many tens are there? There are 5 tens in 54. Then 4 is ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4 you should write. See, coming to 139, what you should do? You should draw a pink circle. 100, 100. How many hundreds are there? Only 100 is there. So, only one pink circle you should draw. And how many tens are there? 3 tens are there, because it is 30. 39, 139. So 3 blue box you should write and 9 triangle you should write. Is that clear? So you should complete like this. Okay, you should complete like that. Okay, Roman letter 2, shall we see? They have given the second one, 100. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3. So now the answer is 183. Can you see here? It is 183. Here you should write 183. Second one, 200 boxes given. 3 10 boxes given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 triangle is given. So 239. Next one is 239. So please complete that. Everybody should complete that. Okay. So it is very easy for you to understand. See children, in page number 38. So how much you are writing? See here, how many 100 bundles are there? In 617. In 617. See here, 600s are there. How many 10s are there? Only 1 10 is there. How many single leaf is there? 7. Okay, next one, 380. How many 100 bundles are there? 3. How many 10 bundles are there? 8. How many single carat is there? No single carat, because 380. Is that clear? Okay. So, for example, I'll tell you. Next one, in money counting, they have told you how to find out this. See here, in this money, 308. How do you write? So 100, in 100 rupees note you should write 3, 10 rupees note you should write 0, and 1 rupee coin note coin you should write 8. Okay. So write 190 means again here you should write 101 you should write here. 10 means in your 9 you should write here, you should write 0. Here 400s are there, so 4, here 5, here is 0. Okay, like that. Very easy. Okay, this is very easy. Shall we move on to the next column? Okay, so you can write all these things. Okay, bundles of 100, bundles of 10, and the single numbers. Okay, so find out and write. And the next one is you should write the words in abacus model, that is beads. You should draw beads. Okay, already I have taught you, do like that. Okay, so next, these are activities only, so you are going to do it. Match the following. You are going to match. See, for example, my friend value is more than 100, less than 200. So in this column, which is more than 100 and less than 200, 155. Second one, 3 notes of 100, 300 rupees. Where is last rabbit? So here you should write last rabbit. Okay, like that you should find out and write. Okay, next exercise number 202. What you should do? Place values, place the values. Okay, 186. Where to write? What you should write it under 100 column? 1. How many tens are there in 186? 8. Ones 6. 420. How many hundreds are there in 420? 4. So you should write 400, 100, 2 tens, 2 ones, 0, like that. Okay, very easy this one. Complete this. Okay, next, Roman letter 3, you should find out and write the words in numbers. They have given 428, so you are going to write 428 in words. Okay, so that is very easy. And in fourth column, they have given in words and you are going to write it in numbers. Okay, so for example, one they have done it 821. So below there is 407. So you are going to write 4, 0 and 7. Okay, that side. Next, coming to the skip, they are skipping the numbers backwards. Okay, they are skipping the numbers backwards and frontwards. See, I think you all have done this in lower classes, like missing letters, ascending order, descending order. I think you know this. Fill in the blanks. Please do this. 300, 310. So how much number they are skipping? 10, 10 they are skipping. So you are going to write 310, 320, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then comes the 70, 370. Now here look at this 400 and 450. So how many numbers they have skipped? 50 numbers. How do you find out this? How much they are skipping? 2 numbers difference you should take. 2 numbers difference means you should minus and see. 300 minus 310. If you are minusing that, then you will get the exact difference number. Okay, how much number they have skipped. Like that, 400 minus 450. How much difference you are getting? That only you should follow the numbers. Follow next numbers. Okay, is that clear, children? So you are going to write that. Next, coming to the next, we are going to see missing letters. How much number they are skipping, like that we have seen. Please do that numbers. Next, 2.3 here, what exercise number? See, the first exercise is what numbers comes after 99. Next to 99 it is 100, 200, 201. Okay, like that. Next number. What comes before means front. Okay, front, forward. 101 before means 100. Like that you should write. In between Roman letter 3 is in between. There you should write 99, 100, 101. Okay, next one, how much numbers they are skipping? You should skip and write in the 4th column, followed by 5th one also. Okay, next is the biggest numbers they are asking. Biggest number. Okay, this paragraph, this animals numbers they have given, please follow, read that. Numbers on the elephant is dash, number of the deer dash, biggest number is D dash. Like that, what number they have written on the animals, you follow that and write. Is that clear, children? Next is the same place values they are telling. How much number, which is the biggest number? Numbers in place value, hundreds are same there. So when you are comparing that, you are comparing in tens place. Okay, the biggest numbers. Okay, the biggest number or smallest number, what you are doing, you are comparing it in the tens place. Is that clear, children? So please follow that and write. For you, for one activity is there in the page number 56, who got the highest mark and who got the less marks. This one, when you are coming back to the school, we will find out and write it. Okay. Next is the ascending and descending. What is ascending and descending? Ascending, A always starts from A, B, C, D. So from 1 to 26. Like that you keep it in mind. Ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. So you are going to find out and write the highest number and the smallest number. In 2.4 exercise, they have given identify the greater number and the smallest number. Okay, so find out that and write. Very, very simple one. Okay, so these all you know that. Roman letter 4, in Roman letter 4 also ascending order you should write, next descending order you should write. Is that clear, children? Okay, so next one we are going to see the framing numbers. So you can write the same place values. So what you should do, biggest number, they have given the 3 numbers. In the 3 numbers you are going to find out how you can exchange that and you can identify the biggest number and the smallest number. Is that clear, children? So you can frame it. Okay, you can read and you can rearrange and make it which one you can make it as a highest number and which one you can make it as a smallest number. Is that clear? In 2.7, see here what they have given. They have asked you about this skipping numbers. Numbers line is a straight line. Numbers are written in order to order at equal distance on number line. So the value of number increases on number line as we move towards right side from the point. See, 100, 110, 120, 130, 40, 50, 60, 70, like that it goes. When it is coming to this side means 200, 190, 180, 170. Left side means it is less. Towards our right side means it is more. Is that clear? So on seeing this, please follow it and write which one. Where is the 600? Where is the place value of 600? Okay, find out and write it. Is that clear, children, till now? Is that clear? So please do all the exercise. If any doubts, you can ask. Thank you, children.